Hi all my beautiful babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Sherry, and for today's video what we're going to be doing is just going through a couple of things that I really been enjoying from Amazon. We're stuck in the house due to Rona. I mean, a lot of states are starting to open up now, so we can still go to the store and things like that, but be safe while we're doing it. But I'd rather just shop online. I don't know about you guys, let me know down below what you prefer, but I prefer to shop online. So I'm just gonna go through a couple of things from Amazon that I've really been enjoying lately, and I hope you guys will enjoy them too. So if you're interested in what I've been enjoying, keep on watching. Okay, all my beauties, so this first thing I'm going to show you is a really amazing product. I really like it. My husband and I have both been using this product, and it is this guy right here. It is by Admire My Skin, and what it is a brightening serum. So this is a 2% hydroquinone serum that if you have any dark spots, melasma, age spots, sunspots, hyperpigmentation, things like that, this is going to work wonders. You do not need a lot of this product. You only need a little drop, depending how big the area is that you're using. Trying to get rid of the darkness, I don't know, but it is amazing. This is $23. You get 1 fluid ounce, and it's absolutely amazing. We have been using it for, I want to say, going on a month now, and especially my husband, because he's a little bit of a darker skin tone, he has been really seeing a lot of improvement with this guy right here. I really recommend this, and it'll be linked down below. All right, babes, so the next thing I'm going to recommend is this guy right here. It is called the Color Cleaner, and what this is it's basically a copycat of the Color Switch. So you get the can like this with 1 foam in it, and you get an extra foam. So it comes with 2 foams. So once this gets, nasty to the point where you can't use it anymore, you do have another one. But these guys, you can rinse them out with soap and water and let them dry, and they are reusable. So they do last quite a bit of time. So what this is you basically grab a dirty brush and you swirl it around on the foam, and it helps you go to the next color of your eyeshadow if you're needing the same brush. So it basically just helps remove most of the powder product off of the brush hairs, so that way the color is mostly gone and you can use, see, there's no color coming out, so that way you can use it for another color. So I really enjoy this, and to me, I rather spend the $5 or $6 that it costs for this compared to the actual Color Switch that costs $20 something. So if you're interested in this, it'll also be linked down below. Okay, so the next thing that I get on Amazon, because I find that I get more for my money on Amazon, are these simple makeup remover wipes. Now normally I don't use wipes, but I do use these if I'm doing swatches or showing you products and things like that. I need these really quick to wipe off my hand, my arm, whatever. So I like to have these on standby just in case. So I get a lot of 4, so 4 packs of these for about $10 to $15 depending. So I really think it's affordable to buy these on Amazon instead of the store. I think you get more bang for your buck through Amazon. Okay, so the next thing that I recommend from Amazon is this guy right here. I really love this thing. It has these little like nubby things on it. I really like it. It has a thing where your fingers go inside. So I use this for my exfoliator. So I put my exfoliator on while I'm in the shower, and I use this to get my knees or my elbows, because it curves with your body and it does a whole bunch of like movements because it's silicone. It's, it doesn't grow any nasty stuff on it. So I really like this, and I think it was about $6 to $7 for this. So if you're anything like me, I live here in Florida, so I'm out in the sun, my skin gets dry, I self tan once in a while, so I need this to get rid of my, you know, dry skin and exfoliate before I self tan. So this is really, really useful. I really love this thing, and if you're interested, I'll leave it linked down below. Okay, babes, so the next thing that I really, really, really love from Amazon are these right here. So you get a bag of 14 of these, I believe, and they come in like a little laundry bag. So you can put all your clean ones away, and once they're dirty, you can throw them in here and throw the whole bag to wash if you want. I don't do that. I just take them and throw them into the hamper and wash them. So I got interested in this because I was looking for something called face halo. I was interested in face halo, but you only get 3 of them for like $20 something. That's a little too deep for my pocket. So I said, the hell with that. I can find something on Amazon. So I found these guys. They're absolutely amazing. They're super, super soft. They're both sides, so you can use both sides of these. And what they are is you just wet them and remove your makeup. Kind of like a makeup eraser, but in a single kind of one-use thing. Because the makeup eraser, I feel like you use it once and it's dirty. Throw it in the wash. These I like because you use them once, you get 14 of them, you throw them in the wash, and that's it. Another thing with this company is when you make a purchase, they plant a tree. So I think that's pretty awesome. And I think they're more eco-friendly than using the makeup wipes, because those you're just basically putting in a landfill. Instead of these, you're reusing them. So I really love these. And if you like these and want them, I'm gonna leave them linked down below. Okay, babes, so the next thing that I've really been enjoying that I've been buying on Amazon, this is my second one now, is this long handle brush right here. As you can see, the bristles are very dense and put together, and they are so comfortable when you're washing your back or, you know, dry brushing your legs, things like that. This brush is absolutely amazing. For the price, the quality is absolutely amazing, and it's the best one that I've found yet. So I definitely recommend this long handle scrub brush if you're interested in scrubbing that back and scrubbing them legs and all that. It's good for getting off, you know, the really dry patches around your ankles and your elbows, along with this guy. I use both of these and I really, really enjoy this. It's the best one I found. Like I said, it's really nice and soft. I love it. If you're interested in this, it will also be linked down below. So the next thing that I buy on Amazon is this Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub. I buy it on Amazon because I cannot find this scent in the store anywhere. It is the guava, passion fruit and guava. I absolutely love this scrub. It smells absolutely amazing and it works so, so good. It really has like a thick, dense sugar scrub, and it really exfoliates that dry skin and those rough patches. So if you're interested in this, I'll also leave it down below. Okay, so the next thing that I got on Amazon that I didn't even think I would like them that much when I bought them, but turned out I love them, are these little lights right here. So you get them in a pack of 2. I think they're about $18 to $20. And they're little LED spotlights, so you can kind of move them around to wherever you want them. And they're good for like if you read in bed, or if you need a certain area of your room like lit up. They're amazing. They have little power buttons, but also what's cool about these is they come with a remote. So you can turn it on, you can brighten them, and you can dim them. You can also set them on a timer. So if you only want them on for 10 minutes, they will turn off after 10 minutes. They also have 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and 120 minutes. So they're battery operated and they're wall mountable. So I think these are awesome for the money. I'm gonna go ahead and put it all the way bright and put it on myself so you can see. And I'm gonna go ahead and dim it now, so that way you can see how bright this light really is. It's absolutely amazing. I love these little lights. They're perfect. So if you're interested in these, I'll leave these linked down below as well. So the next couple of items that I have are for exercising, working out. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. The first item I'm going to show you are these little sliding discs right here. As you can see, mine get used. I really like these, and for the price, the quality is really good. So these, you know, you use these if you need to slide a leg, slide your arm, whatever you're doing, if you're on the ground. Also, if you need to stay put, you flip them over this way and you stay put. Okay, so these are really amazing, and if you're interested in these, I'll also leave these down below. The next thing I'm going to recommend for you guys are going to be these ankle bands. So what these ankle bands are is if you have a weight machine at home, or if you have a weight machine at the gym that you're using and it has the pulley system at the bottom, you simply clip them to the ring and you're able to pull the weight with your legs. So these are very comfortable. They're very soft. The Velcro on these are amazing, thick, good quality Velcro, and they will not come free. And the rings on them are very, very good quality. I definitely recommend these if this is the type of workouts that you're doing. I think they're absolutely amazing for the price. They're very comfortable and they are not scratchy. If you're interested in these, I'll leave them down below. Next thing is going to be these, and what these are, they are resistance bands. So you get a pack of 3, and each one will be labeled with the resistance that it has. You have light, medium, and heavy, and these are very good quality bands. I'm going to flip it inside out so you can see that it has little rubber grips on it. They're super, super good quality, and I love these resistant bands. They are actually the best ones that I've found for this price. So if you're interested in these, I'll leave these down below as well. The next thing I'm going to show you is something that I wear while I'm working out, and it is this right here. So basically, I love this one because it has straps and it's pretty long, and also it has a little bit of boning in them. If you can see where the seam is here, it has like a little rod back there. I believe they're plastic, they aren't steel. But what this is I just wear this while I'm working out because this material that it's made out of helps you sweat, so it heats up your core while you're working out. So I just wear it to make me sweat more in that area, and it's super comfortable. It does not ride up, it doesn't like roll or anything like that. And what I like about this one is it actually has a zipper, and it also has the hooks on the inside, so it's versatile. And if you're interested in that, I'll also leave that down below. All right, babes. So that's everything lately that I've been liking and using to like the utmost capacity since we've been on quarantine. So if you're interested in any of these items that I've showed you today, they will be linked down below for you guys. And I really hope you enjoy this video. And please don't forget to like or dislike. That's okay too. To comment, like, dislike, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as soon as we hit 100 subscribers, we're gonna do that giveaway. So share this video with your friends and family and get us to 100 subscribers so I can get that video for the giveaway up and going for you guys. Until the next video, guys, bye.